Ready? Start. Recapitulate. Bearing, embodying, noticeable, misleading, covered, occurred, hitherto, deprecate, lean ear, shortfall, indulging, shortly, mess, arrive, bit, arises, exemption, Dr. John Mathai, opportunate, destitute, brighter, harping on, curtailed, assessed, carry up, loyal, allowances, indigenously, loyalty, forces, scarcity, merchants, contravend, confiscate, ineffectiveness, motor vehicles act, graze, offences, reiterated, propagate, comprehensive, circumscribed, possesses, indispensable, pertinent, behoves, avadhi session, obstructed, undulated, secured, garb, womb, grave, avoided, luckily, cuges, shorter, ease, plainly, convinced, cottage industries, absorbing, Swadeshi, prevails, shelter, proud, doubt, Brethren, cheap, decent, transport, locomotives, rolling stock, reached, threshold, hamper, quotations, floated, insurance, nowadays, crux, remuneration, shackles, credit worthiness, evolve, ethics, Ashok Mehta, C. Shah, meager, magnitude, brochures, bewildering, vocational, urge upon, shortfall, eke out, subsistence, lethargy, tuberculosis, fruitful, strive, lower, deflect, concession, conscious, posterity, might, yield, vitality, lucidly, comparatively, ample, endorse, repatriation, reiterate, adumbrated, regulated, penetration, refineries, shareholders, explosives, superintendents, seniority, unrelated, fitful, uniformity, assessed, scrutinized, whipped out, sewage, inequalities, Dr. Krishna Swami, handling, prosperous, pace, conveniently, linked, prevalent, mitigate, esteemed, advocate, unimpeded, mop up, cautious, retired, slump, bearing, Andamans, Tripura, advisable, singly, shortly, geographical, picture, often, Gujarat, vague, offenders, dacoities, offences, room, eager, drought, men's, battlenut, customs, disparity, holy, modern, housetops, peasants, frustration, adjourned, award, forfeit, sponsored, fry, holded, surreptitiously, illegal, concurrent, mildly, impious, virtuous, succession, black market, malpractices, empowers, profiteers, prima facie, wholesalers, suddenly, foreseen, exceed, decade, decentralized, strata, aspiration, elaborate, deprecate, talent, nullify, accrue, local, panchayats, ad hoc, demarcation, Professor Malkani, artificially, short, strongly, piecemeal, precluded, magnitude, urgency, conflicts, dispensation, laid down, toe the line, sharply, resolve, welding, segments, solid, deeper, assemblies, federal, quasi-federal, polytechnic, reciprocal, imparted, emotional, staffed, sooner, connotation, scholarship, laid down, subsequent, destiny, jubilant, unhappy, tabling, obstacles, ordained, firmness, sway, undisputed, heartily, urging, wholehearted, in toto and hence, eminent, utility, advocate, persuasion, dispensed, definitely, retaining, framed, competent, farmers, framers, endowed, wage, device, embodied, shrewdly, harmoniously, manipulated, peasants, anomalous, अजीत प्रसाद जैन, शेडी, वर्डिक्ट, लोअर रंग, एक्यूज, लिफ्ट, लेफ्ट, असेस्ड, रेसन्ड, एक्यूट, फोरसीन, इंडिया क्लब, ग्रोविंग, कॉन्ट्रास्टेड, एक्सचेकर, ल्यूक्रेटिव, रीडाइवर्टिंग, चैनल, एग्जॉर्टिंग, शेयर्स, रीएलोकेशन, पुअरर, हिथर्टो, स्टेयर, असाइंड, विजुलाइज्ड, ईरा, प्रॉफिटेबल, सेंटिमेंट्स, illustrious, dedicated, engaged, misgivings, convenient, discretion, prescribed, fair play, confidence, formality, secretarial, annual, confines, advancement, guidance, manuscripts, imposition, democracy, discharging, humiliating, appellating, applying, grage, vicinity, upgrading, grateful, marked, regeneration, swore, sphere, collegiate, external, tinkering, regional, satisfactorily, reform, envisage, permissible, meddling, hamper, network, judiciary, pupils, weakening, shake, provincial, plight, pitiable, insecure, toiling, chincona, collapse, unhygienic, abject, flung, vestigious, colonial, champions, downtrodden, ameliorating, barest, impediments, linens, lighter, urinals, latrines, enforce, offenders, punishment, memoranda, delegation, bipartition, unusual, leakage, scarpy, strengthen, informal, inevitable, dispassionate, objective, ambassador, aiming, convergent, highlight, fortnightly, Williams, George, inflicted, continent, regime, perpetuate, gauge, breadth, border, persists, vision, mental, hampering, arbitration, frankly, tribunal, indifference, hindered, handicap, exaggerations, dilate upon, frequently, mode, coalesce, coordination, unpredictable, anticipated, faster, sincere, shortfalls, bottlenecks, Coleridge, Hewlett, fairs, leisure, rapidity, saddled, implying, carriers, suicidal, ordinance, sabotage, intimidation, disobeying, imprudent, dwelt, frightful, parliamentarian, mounting up, exigencies, build, barometer, boomed, absorb, prohibited, existent, unlikely, react, nonchalantly, gardens, hectares, acreage, deprive, compensation, piecemeal, acquired, voiced, Janata Party, deteriorated, eradication, famed, inimical, exploiters, cardamom, draconian, invidious, liquidation, viability, church, debt-ridden, landholder, stringent, mandatory, farmers, imprisoned, criminal, embrace, switched, feasible, extract, microscopic, through, disintegration, haves, undergo, agrarian, ignorant, set forth, accomplishments, incidentally, conducive, inculcation, Bhupesh Gupta, rouse, lacuna, stake, ventilate, compiled with, John Mathai.